Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to break down complex strategies into easy-to-understand steps for beginners. AI is all about simplifying tasks and enhancing productivity, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and get more done in less time. People often think AI is too complicated or requires a lot of technical expertise, but that's not entirely true. Many beginners struggle to get started with AI because they believe it's only for tech-savvy individuals or that it's too expensive to implement. Another common misconception is that AI will replace human jobs, which is not the case. AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Beginners also face challenges in finding the right resources to learn about AI, as the internet is flooded with complex information that's hard to decipher. Furthermore, the fear of not knowing where to start or how to apply AI in real-life situations can be overwhelming for many beginners. AI can be incredibly helpful for beginners, and there are many tools and strategies that can make it easy to get started. For example, automated chatbots can help businesses provide customer support, while machine learning algorithms can help with data analysis and prediction. Natural language processing is another area where AI can be really helpful, enabling beginners to create voice-controlled applications or chatbots that can understand human language. Additionally, many AI tools offer user-friendly interfaces that don't require any coding knowledge, making it easy for beginners to get started right away. One unique strategy that has transformed the way beginners can harness AI is the use of pre-trained models. These models can be easily integrated into existing applications, allowing beginners to tap into the power of AI without having to build everything from scratch. This approach has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for beginners, enabling them to create complex AI-powered applications with minimal effort. By leveraging pre-trained models, beginners can focus on developing their ideas and bringing them to life, rather than getting bogged down in the technical details. The impact of this strategy has been significant, with many beginners now able to create AI-powered applications that were previously out of their reach. The key to getting started with AI is to keep it simple and focus on the benefits it can bring. By leveraging beginner-friendly AI tools and strategies, anyone can simplify their workflow and enhance their productivity. Let me know in the comments below about your experiences with AI, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to get started with AI.